Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation and I ordered it from Amazon as you can see in this video. So it is waterproof with 8 GB storage and built-in light system. Also it has 3 variants, Kindle Paperwhite and Kindle Oasis. So I ordered this Paperwhite model. So it was pretty affordable and when you use it you will feel like using a book instead of a gadget. So it has 5 LED lights for night reading. Also it's so lightweight, you will not feel inconvenient in holding this. Also it's a very long last. If I talk about its charger, so you just need to charge it once and it will last for weeks. So here's the Kindle. So guys, it's already 1 week that I'm using this Kindle and I'm very happy with it. Also adding a short video for your reference. So guys, it genuinely feels like reading a book instead of gadget. As I told you earlier, I'm providing its link in the description box below, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.